What cultural impact did the Irish language decline have? Imagine a country where stories, songs, and traditions are woven into every conversation. Now picture that fading away as a language disappears from daily life. That's what happened in Ireland over centuries. The Irish language, or Gaeilge, was once spoken across the entire country, especially in rural areas where community life thrived. But from the early 1600s, English started to take over due to political control and social changes. The Great Famine, which struck Ireland between 1845 and 1850, made this worse. Many Irish speakers died or left the country, and those who stayed often found it necessary to speak English to survive and find work abroad. This shift meant fewer people used Irish in their homes and communities. As the language declined, so did the stories, songs, and oral traditions passed down through generations. These cultural elements are deeply tied to the Irish language. When Irish started to fade, so did the unique expressions and ways of seeing the world that it carried. Communities that once shared everything in Irish saw their cultural bonds weaken. Without the language, some of the community's shared history and identity began to disappear too. Today, when you visit Ireland, you'll notice that Irish is mainly spoken in the Gaeltacht regions. These are small areas where Irish remains a first language. Visiting these places gives a glimpse of Ireland's past, where language and culture are still alive. But even here, tourism and modern life have brought more English into daily use. Shops and services often prefer English, which can make it harder for Irish to stay vibrant. That's why many efforts are in place to revive the language. Irish language radio stations, festivals, and schools aim to keep Irish alive and relevant. For travelers, participating in these cultural activities offers a richer experience. Listening to Irish music, watching traditional dance, or even trying a few words in Irish can connect you to Ireland's history of resilience. The decline of Irish did cause a loss of cultural depth and community ties, especially in rural areas. But it also sparked a movement to preserve and celebrate Irish heritage. Understanding this history helps visitors appreciate how language and culture are intertwined in Ireland's story. It's a reminder of how resilience and pride keep traditions alive, even after many challenges.